Exploring phrasal verbs, the versatility of come off. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on phrasal verbs. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of come off. This phrasal verb is commonly used in everyday conversation, so mastering its use can truly enhance your English communication skills. Remember, context is key when learning phrasal verbs. Now, let's come off on a learning journey. So, what does come off mean? Like many English phrasal verbs, come off has several meanings depending on the context. But don't worry, we'll explore each one with clear examples to help you understand how to use them correctly. 1. Come off can mean to fall or be removed from something. For example, the button came off my shirt. 2. It can also mean to stop taking medication or drugs. For example, he's trying to come off the medication. 3. In addition, it can mean to appear or seem in a particular way. For example, I hope I didn't come off as rude. So, remember, the context in which you use come off will determine its meaning. Now that we understand the different meanings of come off, it's time to practice. Here are some more examples. Try to identify which meaning is being used. 1. The paint came off the wall easily. 2. She didn't want to come off as desperate. 3. After a few weeks, he managed to come off the painkillers. Keep practicing these in your daily conversations and writing until you feel comfortable with them. While learning come off, it's also essential to be aware of common mistakes learners often make. The most typical one is using come off interchangeably with come out. Remember, come out generally refers to revealing a truth or appearing after being hidden, while come off carries the meanings we discussed today. And there we have it. You're now equipped with a better understanding of the phrasal verb, come off. Like any other part of language learning, mastering come off requires practice. So don't forget to incorporate it into your daily English use. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more exciting lessons on phrasal verbs.